Computational linguistics. The branch of linguistics in which the techniques of computer science are applied to the analysis and synthesis of language and speech. So, with the help of computer techniques, we can analyze a language and we can synthesize the language. We can analyze the constituent of a language, and then we can synthesize the constituent to understand the language. It's a interdisciplinary field concerned with the statistical or rule-based modeling of natural language from a computational perspective. So with the help of computational linguistics, we can model a language on the basis of the rules that the language has and that works in the process of the language. Traditionally performed by computer scientists specialized in the application of computers to the processing of a natural language. So previously only the computer scientists used this technique to understand a language, but now it is an interdisciplinary team, people from computer science, people from linguistics, pure linguists, and people who know a certain language make a team to understand any language, and this computational linguistics work this way. Computational linguists are interested in providing computational models of various kinds of linguistic phenomenon. So what they do is they segregate different components of language, like phonology, like syntax, like semantics, and they make certain constituent or certain models of that language. Computational linguistics is often grouped within the field of artificial intelligence. Though artificial intelligence came late and the computational linguistics started very earlier. In the earlier phases, it was supposed that computers is very quick at arithmetics. It can make a very accurate result, and in the similar way, in a short while, we can understand a language. We can translate one language into another language. But when this task was given to computer, the results were not very helpful. It was a sort of failure, because it was known that two languages are very different from each other on the basis of their sounds, on the basis of their morphology, on the basis of their syntax, on the basis of their semantics, and also on the basis of their pragmatics, how the language is used. So this was not successful when scientists tried to get results from computer in this regard. Some research in the field of computational linguistics aims to create working speech or text processing system. They are trying that they could make a computer speech. Computer could speak, computer could interact with people, and similarly a computer could also analyze the text the way we make a discourse analysis of the text. Others aim to create a system allowing human-machine interaction. So it was one of its aim that humans could interact with the machine, and machine could also answer people the way human beings answer each other. Programs meant for human-machine communication are called conversational agents. So there has been a little success in this regard, and there has been a communication between man and machine to some extent, and these conversational communication between man and machine are called conversational agents.